and down. I'm in my makeshift studio outside, and it's freezing. Vancouver is so cold right now. And I am about to start sanding. One of my favorite things ever is this really coarse rasp that I'm not very good at taking care of. It's really, really awesome for smoothing out the crap like this. Got all my heads over here. Just enough. Okay. So yeah, now I sand. So I have a bunch of different types of these, but this is my absolute favorite just because it just does the job quickly. Whereas I have ones that aren't the double file, and they, like this one that I bought the other day, and it sucks. It just takes so long to do one thing. I hate it. This one's the bomb. Then, so I'm just going to do this quickly, but once I've got all the really rough stuff smoothed out, then I'll go over it with a coarse sandpaper, so like 100 grit. And then my favorite are these spongy 3M fine sandpapers. I pretty much use these for all the sanding that I do. Oh, I lied. I use, is that the same? I don't know how strong this is, but I use this. And I'm going to be smart and put on my mask.